Have you been trying to make money with YouTube? Have you been struggling to figure out how to put all the pieces together and to make it really work? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how YouTube fits into the overall puzzle so you can clearly understand how to get started. So the first incredible way that YouTube comes into play is that it provides a wonderful way for you to search and to understand what people are looking for, what their needs are. Because ultimately, for you to make money, you have to be able to solve someone's need. You have to be able to solve a problem, to provide a solution to someone's need, to provide value in some way. And the way that you do that using YouTube is, first of all, by searching within YouTube itself to find out what people are looking for, to find out the kind of questions that they're searching for, to find out the types of things that they're searching on YouTube for. And when you understand that for a particular group of people who you're interested in serving, then you have a way to now discover opportunities for you to deliver value to them. And in exchange for that value, that's how you begin to make money online. Now, the way one would normally do that is to pick something that is of interest to them. So, for example, if you're a musician, if you're a guitar player, if you're into gardening, if you're into cooking, whatever your interest might be, that would be a good place to start. Now, obviously, in order to solve anyone's need, you have to be able to deliver a solution to them. And so what this is really coming down to is becoming an affiliate marketer. So in other words, not only are you looking for what people are searching for and to understand their needs, but you're also signing up with companies as an affiliate so that you can refer people to the products that they have. And when those people make purchases of those products, you get a commission. That's fundamentally what it's all about. So the first use of YouTube in your overall marketing strategy has to be discovering what people want, understanding what people are searching for. And when you can do that effectively, you begin to get to a point where now you can position yourself to fulfill those needs. Now, the second most important use of YouTube is once you find out what a person needs, once you find out what a group of people are searching for, now you can begin to produce videos that will educate and share with people solutions that would really provide an answer to the questions that they're asking. They could be looking for information about a product that they heard of. They could be looking for a source of information to understand how to solve a particular problem or how to address a certain need. In fact, one of the most often searched for terms in all of YouTube is a simple phrase, how to. And so when you begin to look at all of the various questions that people are asking about how to do this or how to do that or how to understand this, now you begin to see a set of topics that you can begin to produce videos for to answer those questions. And when you're able to answer those questions effectively, to truly give value to people by providing meaningful answers to the questions that they're asking, that's when you become a trusted source of information. And when you become a trusted source of information, people will then look to you to provide the solution, and the things that you recommend will be the things that they will then take steps to purchase or to obtain. And so the first use of YouTube is to, first of all, understand what people are looking for. And the second use of YouTube, which is equally important, is in fact the other side of the coin, is to now begin to educate and to help people to understand the value of the solution that you recommend as a way to encourage them to potentially purchase. But this is not all that's required in order for you to put together an end-to-end process for being able to make money with YouTube. There's more involved, and we're going to cover that next. So after you have discovered a need and you've also positioned yourself to be able to provide a solution, the next most important thing to do is to be there to follow up. And you must have experienced this many times in your own life where you'll click on a link and you'll be directed to a page where you're offered something that is of value to you. And in exchange for that gift, you are requested or asked to put in your name and perhaps your email address, at the very least your email address. Well, the reason for that is because as a marketer, it's very important to have a way to follow up with people. And the reason for that is, while you might have something that you recommend to sell to them to solve a problem, you do not control the moment at which they are ready to buy. And because of that, it's important to follow up consistently, to be there in that moment when they're actually ready to make a purchase. And this is something that if you don't put this together as part of your overall marketing solution, you might make some sales, but you will not be able to scale your business to the degree that would enable you to really have a credible business that would enable you to live the lifestyle that you want. And so, in addition to understanding the needs of people and positioning yourself as an affiliate so that you can provide that solution and be in a position to make a commission from that sale, you need to now be there on a consistent basis, following up with people. And there are specific tools and techniques that you use to do that, which I'll cover in another video, but I just want to give you an overall understanding that from a YouTube perspective, understanding what they want and being able to produce content on YouTube itself that addresses the need is one thing. And then the second thing is that you got to have a way to capture their contact information or to keep them coming back so that you can be a resource to them, so that you can follow up with them and be there in the moment when they are ready to buy. This is very, very important. And we're going to talk about exactly how you do that in another video. Now, there's one other piece to this puzzle that you need to understand at a high level in order to have an end-to-end system that allows you to make money with YouTube. And we're going to cover that next. So the third part of this puzzle is that you need to make sure that you're directing someone to a high quality solution. Now, when I say high quality, I do not necessarily mean expensive. What I mean is to provide a solution to people that is in complete alignment, that is congruent with the thing that they need, the thing that they're searching for. So in other words, if someone is searching for a particular type of product to solve a particular need, you want to deliver a solution to them that is exactly what they need. However, one thing that I think many affiliate marketers miss, and I'll just give you this example. If someone, for example, is searching for a drill, okay? A drill that is a power tool that would enable them to produce a hole. What is it that they want? Do they want a drill or do they want a hole? See, this is the thing that we need to understand. The true need of a person who's in search of a power drill is not that they just want to have a power drill. They need the power drill to produce a certain result. They need the power drill to drill a hole into something. So what they're really in search for is a way to make a hole. And that is true no matter what the product is that someone is seeking to buy. They are looking for a solution to a problem, and they're expressing it as, I need this particular thing. But what they really want is a particular thing that enables them to get the result, either to have an experience or to have a feeling or to, solve a particular problem that they have. And so when you really understand a person's need and you really understand what they're looking for, you're able to provide a solution to them that is truly able to help them to achieve the goal that they're seeking. And so being an affiliate marketer is much more than just trying to make money online. It's really about having a heart where you understand people's needs and you have a desire to help others. And when you position yourself this way, you will always now be in a position, you will find yourself in a position where now you're there truly being a resource and helping people and delivering solutions to them that is in exact alignment with the thing that they are searching for. And that's what makes you successful as an affiliate marketer. That's really the key. And so the three parts of this process is, number one, you use YouTube to find out what they want. You use YouTube to produce valuable content that helps to educate people and to show people and to articulate to people exactly how the solution you have addresses their need. And then number three, you have to have yourself positioned as an affiliate with credible organizations that do have the products that people are actually looking for. And when I say credible organizations, the back-end possibilities of where you can position yourself as an affiliate is virtually infinite. Whether it's ClickBank for digital products, JVZoo for digital products. You can sign up with Best Buy, with Amazon, with Apple, iTunes, Walmart. There are just a range of companies. In fact, if you want to find out companies where you can sign up as an affiliate, all you have to do is go to their website and search for the word affiliate or associate. And usually at the bottom of their page, somewhere in the footer, it'll say the word affiliate, and when you click on that, you can find out exactly what you need to do to sign up as an affiliate. And so this is a very high-level description of the three parts of the process that you have to have in place in order to have an end-to-end system to produce a way to make money with YouTube. And in future videos, what I'm going to do is to drill into each one of them to show you what tools you can use to effectively do research to understand what people need. What tools do you need in order to follow up effectively with people? Where should you sign up as an affiliate? What are the most effective places to sign up as an affiliate to be able to get going quickly, to have a way to provide solutions to problems that people are actually trying to solve, that large numbers of people are trying to solve, so you have the greatest opportunity to now make money with YouTube. And so I trust that this video was valuable to you, and I really do encourage you to subscribe to this channel and also to click that bell so you are notified when I'm producing the other videos, because I am on this journey myself. I'm not just here to tell you about how to make money with YouTube and not do it myself. I am in this business myself, and my purpose here is to share with you all of the things that I've learned and to share with you all of the things that I'm continuing to learn and how I'm educating myself and how I'm putting this end-to-end process together in the hopes that you can duplicate it for yourself and be able to effectively have an online business that enables you to make money with YouTube.